ओ यार मेरे चौपालों में वो धूम धड़ाके होने दे, तू गलियों में जगराते कर, मैं सोया हूँ मुझे सोने दे। ओ देश मेरे तू जीता रहे, तूने शेर के बच्चे पाले, एक लाल हुआ बलिदान तो क्या 100 लाल तेरे रखवाले हैं। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ यार मेरे चौपालों में वो धूम धड़ाके होने दे, तू गलियों में जगराते कर, मैं सोया हूँ मुझे सोने दे। ओ देश मेरे तू जीता रहे, तूने शेर के बच्चे पाले, एक लाल हुआ बलिदान तो क्या 100 लाल तेरे रखवाले हैं। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बन के मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू। ओ यार मेरे चौपालों में वो धूम धड़ाके होने दे, तू गलियों में जगराते कर, मैं सोया हूँ मुझे सोने दे। ओ देश मेरे तू जीता रहे, तूने शेर के बच्चे पाले, एक लाल हुआ बलिदान तो क्या 100 लाल तेरे रखवाले हैं।
Assalamualaikum and very good morning everyone. Our respected Munawar Zama sir, Colonel sir, Dr. Azad sir, Noman sir, all my esteemed colleagues and the team Ajmal Foundation. First of all, I would like to wish you a very happy Republic Day. We are really fortunate to be assembled here on the occasion of 71st Republic Day of India, and this holiday reminds us the great ideas of the Indian constitutions and allow us to commemorate the commitments of the great institutions adopted on this special day. We are really very much fortunate to be in an independent India, and we are ruled by the Holy Constitution, which has given us every opportunity and freedom to live as an ideal citizen of the country. And at the same time, it has also given us the responsibilities towards the nation building. Everyone at our level, we have to enjoy the rights and freedom, and at the same time we have to deliver our duties and responsibilities towards the fellow citizen of the country. And we at Ajmal Foundation really very much fortunate and blessed. We have given a wonderful platform to stand by the very needy and the people, those who are struggling. We get opportunity to stand by them. We get opportunity to help them, support them, and try to bring a smile on the face of them. This is what is the biggest responsibility we feel that we are extending towards our fellow brothers. We are really very much thankful to our great patrons, the Ajmals. They are doing their best to contribute for the development not only of the state of Assam, their own soil, but also for the whole caste, creed, religion, and those who are struggling beyond Assam as well. We have come up with a good number of projects and schemes. Everything dedicated for the downtrodden section of the society, where each and everyone is to give it duties and responsibilities for the development of those struggling people. Our Ajmal group of institutions, day in and out, they are trying their best to build the students, those who are from the remote and rural areas. Our skill development programs, they have taken up the various initiatives to provide skills to the people, those who are without skill. Providing skills to them, they are allowing them to be a part of the society which can contribute for the development of the society. And of course, our relief and rehabilitation department, they are always struggling and toiling along so that they can reach out to the most needy section of the society, and day in and out, they are in the remote areas working for the development of this very needy section. Of late, our relief and rehabilitation team, they were into various parts of the state distributing blankets at the very time where the people were in need of them. Our relief and rehabilitation team is going out to provide clothes to the people, to provide clothes to the children, those who were without clothes. So this is our Ajmal Foundation, is reaching out to each and every section of the society and helping them, supporting them. We are really very much blessed to get such wonderful opportunities. We must be thankful to our great patrons. They are giving all-out efforts for the overall development of the society as a whole. Irrespective of caste, creed, religion, we stand by the people and support them the way they want to be supported. So today, on behalf of the 71st Republic Day of India, I thank each and every member of our Ajmal Foundation, the way you all are devoted and dedicated, the way you all are trying your level best, the way you are discharging your responsibility, that we are doing our share for the nation building. Really, it is not only a job, it is rather a responsibility that we have endowed with so many opportunities so that we can support people. So, on this auspicious occasion, I thank and congratulate all of you and hope that you will be inspired and motivated so that we can reach out to more and more people, we can support more and more people, and we can bring smiles on the faces of Indians who really deserve this. So with these few words, once again, I thank everyone, and especially I thank the admin department coming up in such a nice way to celebrate this wonderful occasion. I especially thank Munawar Zama sir, the team of English House, to be present on this holy occasion and blessed us with their kind presence. I also especially thank the kids, those who are present here. They have made the occasion more beautiful. So with these few words, I conclude here. Thank you so very much.